Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring you're signed into the correct Apple ID and have a quick backup. Once done, you won't lose anything important. On iPhone, open Files, on Mac, open Finder and choose iCloud Drive. Now scan top-level folders and sort by size or date. Delete unneeded large files first. Make sure to remove app-specific documents from Pages, Keynote, or third-party folders. As you delete, watch storage numbers at Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, so you see immediate impact. Next, open iCloud. Com in a browser and sign in to review the same iCloud Drive contents. Sometimes files remain online after device deletes. Select multiple items and delete in bulk, then go to Recently Deleted and choose Delete All to reclaim space. For photos, enable Optimize or remove huge videos. For app documents, open App Settings and delete stored files you no longer need. Once you've pruned versions and duplicates, check iCloud storage again and repeat until usage matches your target. To finish, consider turning iCloud Drive off on devices you're done cleaning so nothing rootloads. Then verify freed space in Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, and confirm local backups are intact. If storage doesn't update, force a sync by signing out and back into iCloud, rebooting devices, or uploading a small file then deleting it. This often nudges the counter. If issues persist beyond a few hours, contact Apple support with your Apple ID details. One troubleshooting tip: check other devices for rootloads before assuming
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.